Welcome to M.I.A International Academy. If this is your first time watching my tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you will get notification whenever I upload new video. Okay, in this tutorial, this is what we are going to create. I am Israeli. Please don't forget to share the video with friends. Okay, now we'll jump into our text editor. Okay, now as you can see those tags, this is basic HTML structure. Okay, now within the body tag, create a div section called typing. Okay, now create another div called text inside the typing div section. Okay, now we create a line section which is span. Okay, now let's duplicate this one. Okay, we'll give class to each. The first one is SL1, and the second one SL2, okay, the third one SL3. Now inside the first class, which is SL1, type I am. Now we go to the second one, then we type serial. Now the last one we type Leon, serial Leon. Okay, now we have structured our text. Now let's come to the styling now. Style. Okay, now we give our body a color. Now we say background color gray, background color gray, background color gray. Okay, now we take the typing class, typing, then open curly brace. Okay, display flex, display flex, justify content center, align item center, align item center, then the height 100 vh. Now this is one way to center your div section. Okay, now we'll take another class which is text, text, open curly brace, width, let's take the width 500 pixels, overflow hidden, white space no wrap. font weight bold. Font weight bold. Now the font size 50 pixels. Now animation text. Let's make it 3 seconds. So it will slide 3 seconds, infinite alternate. Now let's save this one and refresh our web page. Okay, now you see. So let us color the text. I am Sierra. So we come back to our text editor and take the span class SL1, SL2, and SL3. Duplicate them. Okay, for SL1, color green. SL2, color white. And SL3, color blue. Green, white, and blue. Okay, now let's save the file, Ctrl S, and refresh our page. Okay, now you see green, white, and blue. Now let's come to the animation now. Keyframe text. As you can see, there's a text here, so text should be here. Whatever name that is given here just after animation should be here after the keyframe also. Open curly brace. From the then open another curly brace with 0. With 0. Okay, now let's save the file and refresh our web page. Okay, now you see the text is sliding. Okay, this is all we have for today. Mind you, don't forget to share the video with your friend. M.I.A.